Hi, welcome to my video. This is going to be a very quick unboxing of the new Spartan carbon helmet. Let's just see what we've got in the box. Right, there's the helmet out of the box. We've got a pin lock as well. What's really good, it's supplied, and some of them don't always do that. Let's have a quick look in here. Here we go. There we go. Straight out of the box you can feel how light that is, and that's super light. A lot lighter than my other shark helmet is. Have a look at the air vents. We've got two big air vents obviously at the bottom of the top, and we've got the exhaust at the back, so we know the airflow is going to be good. Let's have a look inside here as well. So you've got sun visor on the top, slide it down, that almost goes right to the bottom as well, so that's really good, because you're not going to have that little lip that's really annoying as well. Quick feel of the visor. Okay, first clip, there's quite a big gap. So there you go, quick look at the carbon. Thank you very much.